Welcome back to the vlog. Here with Shinigami. He's perusing the. You're doing what?
Shopping.
He's shopping. Looking at some deals for his WRX. What are you looking at here right now?
Some V2 taillights.
Some V2.
To match my V2 headlights.
Ooh, dang.
Ta-da.
They got a special deal right now?
10% off.
10%? So there's $600.
Yeah, only $600.
Is that chump change? Is that?
It's change. I don't know about chump change.
So you gonna do it or what?
I guess. Sure.
You're gonna do it. Dang.
This guy.
So you see, around here we're Team B about it. I don't think he's gonna do it. Oh wow, you're just gonna buy them?
Yep. Okay. Well.
What's taking so long?
Hey.
Yeah, what happened to Team B about it?
Yours has been received.
Yep.
What the hell? I think somebody's at the door.
Alright.
Whoa. Is that your package already?
Maybe.
Whoa. Is this like Amazon, like one?
Oh, hello.
What? Those are your. What? Already?
Already.
That's crazy.
Let's go install them now.
Okay.
Alright.
Wow, that's a big. That's. What the heck? I should probably help you.
Oh, look.
Whoa. That looks good. You pretty pumped on these?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Sure.
All right.
Also put them on, yeah.
Do you think it'll be a fast install? This could be like an hour?
I hope it's not an hour. No,
Here, I guess
it'll
just
be quick.
just do it real fast, I
I'm gonna
guess.
wipe these off really quick
Okay.
before I put them away. Hold up.
What the f? What the f?
These are good. Should you get some of these?
Yeah? What kind of microfiber fucking towels are those?
Chemical guys.
Chemical. That was magic.
All right.
Wow.
We install your lights for you.
Holy shit. Holy shit. Wow, well, it's even this side.
Yeah, it does both sides. One white, both sides. Quick side note, I have all this for my fourth brake light, so not everybody will have that. And this is the tailless turn thing that I have from Diode Dynamics. It's like one of the first things I got. But I'm just gonna leave it in here in case if I ever need to switch back. And then this is just the OEM harness. And these are just tapped into my fourth brake light. It goes down that way. Ta-da!
For sale. $4.
Nope.
Oh, damn, it already looks good. You didn't even do it yet. For all the homies that have seen the other ones. I got it.
And
Ooh, okay. So these are just plug and play, huh?
yep,
But they have sequential.
they do. We will showcase that soon.
Do a little comparison. Ooh. Shout out to the E85 in the back. That's perfect, actually.
Ta-da!
Such a difference.
I think I'm the first in Washington to have these. Just like the V2s.
I got hella subscribers, so comment below if you have them. If you live in Washington.
Yeah, if you have V2 front and rear, then kudos to you. If you don't, I'm first.
I'm first.
I win. There we go.
Ooh, that clicked on real nice.
Yeah, let's just try and do with the other one.
The black in here really matches like the wheels when you kind of stand far back. Yeah, like it works really well,
Oh yeah.
right?
I mean, yeah, this gray, you mean?
Yeah,
Yeah, I kind of.
it accents a little more.
I was shooting for this to kind of not necessarily match that, but that's cool. But more so this matching the trunk. Kind
Oh,
of,
definitely.
The black.
Yeah.
The red ones, there's smoked ones. It's a lot darker than this. I think it was a little bit too dark for my car.
Oh, I hurt myself. Dang, boy. Ooh. I hit. This guy not even like happy. How do you like your new taillight, Sergio? I love them.
Brakes.
Brakes. Both sides good.
Blinker.
Left good.
Right.
Right good.
Reverse.
Reverse looks dope.
Alright. And just running.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wow, color me jealous.
Break.
Ooh, that is fancy.
Alright,
You have to key on for turn lights. Or run it.
how you liking it?
Pretty good. Okay.
Is that first or?
Reverse is pull up all the way to the right and down.
Oh, God.
There you go. Ooh, that is cool.
Alright, that looked good.
You know what's crazy? It actually fits really well with my fourth brake light because it does the same thing.
Yeah, definitely.
Because it's got the outer ring and then it has the center portion that also becomes a reverse light. And they both have the double intensity bulb. Kind of funny how that worked out.
It fits really well, yeah.
Nice. Well, all I gotta do is put my stuff back in and then we can go take a cruise.
Let's do it.
You got the